Hi guys, today we continue to work with artificial intelligence and neural networks, and I hope today we continue to check ChatGPT possibility from OpenAI to produce code in MATLAB automatically. Let's try to ask ChatGPT to solve some practical task. As an example, to solve the main navigation equation, which is so typical in many different applications. This equation grounds on finding user location by known distance to two fixed points in the space. These equations are nonlinear, and it means we need to use symbolic operations in MATLAB. Thus, I think it will be a good chance to check how it works with ChatGPT. And as you remember, as we need to start for tagging in playground of OpenAI. And first of all, we will start to telling what we need to do. Write code MATLAB. Also, I like to specify. Oh, sorry. Write code MATLAB 2016. As usual, at the beginning we need to specify clear workspace. Yep, it's usual. Then, because it will be navigation equations, thus we need to use symbolic. Use symbolic. I think it will be enough. Sorry, symbolic. Yep. Then we need to tell what we need to do. Solve these equations. And then we could specify it. Let it be dA power 2 equal to x minus xa powered by 2 plus y, okay, plus y plus y a. Okay, and also the same thing for the next equation from point B. dB power 2 is equal to x minus xb powered by 2 plus y plus yb powered by 2. And let's specify what exactly we would like to see. Thus we need to get x and y. And it will not be so easy, therefore I need to specify a particular example. After we are getting analytical expression for counting x and y, you will see that in my case x and y are unknown coordinates of user location. xa and ya are coordinate of reference point A location, xy and xb and yb are coordinates of point B location, and dA and dB are direct distances to these points. Thus, we would like to get x and y analytical expression for counting this nonlinear equation. And that's why we are asking to work in symbolic to get analytical equations. And then okay, let's do it like that. Then use xa equal 5, then ya let it be also 5, then xb equal to 10, then yb is equal to also 10, then we need to specify two distances. dA is equal to 2 probably, and dB is equal to 9. And also let to specify to calculate x and y in integer. Yep. I think I'm ready to run it. Thus, let's check how it works with ChatGPT. Okay, we will run it. And what we can see, okay. Okay, what we can see here, first of all, ChatGPT introduced symbolic variables. Thus, maybe I will just to add additional explanation, add description to each line, and I will regenerate all the code to get it. Okay, submit. And let's see how it will be. Okay, first of all, ChatGPT proposed to clear, and it works because we ask to clear workspace before we are solving our system of nonlinear equation. What I'm not like that it use only x and y. There is no xa and ya to get the full analytical expression, because in this case ChatGPT just put our numbers already in their navigation equations and then just ask to solve it. In this case, we do not have analytical expression for getting x and y values. Thus, let's try to regenerate it one more time, because you remember each time when we run it, ChatGPT tried to give us something else, because it tried to find new way how they can help us. And in this case, we have also clear, and also we've got identification of symbolic variables. Yes, I like it. Then we have a solution of our navigation equations. Also, yes, everything is okay. Yeah, and also pay attention that it uses solve function already here. Then it assign values to our variables. However, I think it does not work because these variables are symbolic. That's why it is not a good idea to do in the following way. However, we can try to play with that. And then it just try to count our variables. However, I do not like this code because I just like to see a little bit another behavior for code. Thus, I will resubmit it one more time. And after a few times of regeneration of answers from ChatGPT, I've got the following result, which I like very well. And here you can see that everything is packed so cute. Thus, clear as usual, because we asked to clear our workspace. Then we specify all variables as a symbolic. Then there are two equations which we ask to solve with the help of function sol, and we would like to get x and y variables. And then just use substitute function to put to our solutions of x and y our variables. This is great and exactly what we need. And pay attention that ChatGPT give us an answer for my question. And this is a time to check in MATLAB. Thus, I just copy this part of equation, then go to MATLAB and just put this code in command window and then run it. Hope it will work. And finally we've got result in matrix X. Okay, what we need to check solution X and solution Y. Let's go to solution X. There are two of them. Yes, I like it because it could be two solutions because there are 2 points. Could be because it is quadratic equation and two circles are crossing into points. Thus, we've got two solutions, solution X and solution for Y. Let's check it. Solution for X, let it be first one. Yes, we have it. You will see that there are a lot of variables and it is an analytical solution. It means that it is a formula in which we can put variables and we can get final results. And at the end also you can see that it proposed to use substitution function to put our input values to our variables. And after substitution and simplification, we've got the following results, because then we just need to count, and in this case ChatGPT miss counting of this solution. And finally, we just need to count it, and ChatGPT forget about it. And in this case, we can help. There are few functions, however, I prefer to use in this case just double. Thus, we can use double and then specify that everything is answer. Oh, sorry, I forget that we used solution X. Okay, maybe I recalculate everything and then just use double to answer. And here we are. We have our results. It will be 2 points with coordinates 4 and 3 and 3 and 4, which give us a solution of our navigation equation based on input data that we specified in our request. That's all. You see that ChatGPT can help us to solve quite practical tasks, and I hope we will find much more other ways how we can use ChatGPT and MATLAB. and I think this collaboration will be very fruitful for everyone. Thank you for watching. Next time, talk about some probability density distribution functions in ChatGPT. See you.